Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Condensed Chaos is probably one of the most influential books on chaos magic, offering a practical and accessible guide to the subject. Hine's work breaks down complex concepts into understandable terms, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced practitioners. This book provides a comprehensive overview of chaos magic, covering everything from basic principles to advanced techniques, empowering readers to explore and experiment with this dynamic magical system. Number 5. Condensed Chaos, An Introduction to Chaos Magic. Are you ready to explore the hidden realms of magic? This is an introduction to chaos magic. It offers a unique approach to understanding and harnessing the power within yourself. Chaos magic is a modern magical practice. It emphasizes personal experience and experimentation. It encourages you to create your own system of belief. This product challenges traditional magical dogma. It empowers you to question everything and build your own path. It's about finding what works for you. With chaos magic, you'll learn to navigate the unknown. It teaches you to adapt and evolve your practice. This will help you to achieve your goals. Begin your exploration of chaos magic now. This will guide you through the fundamental principles. It's time to unlock your inner power and embrace the chaos. What we like. This book provides a fantastic entry point. It breaks down complex ideas into easy-to-understand concepts. If you're new to chaos magic and looking for a solid foundation, you should consider this one. It's perfect for beginners. What people say. It's a great introduction to chaos magic. The book is well written and easy to understand. It covers a wide range of topics related to chaos magic. Number 4. Liber, Null and Psychonaut, Chaos Magic Introduction. This book offers an introduction to chaos magic. It explores the core concepts and practices of this unique magical system. It's a great starting point for anyone curious about the subject. Chaos magic emphasizes personal experience and experimentation. It encourages practitioners to develop their own magical techniques. This book provides a solid foundation for understanding and applying these principles. The book delves into various aspects of chaos magic. It covers topics like sigils, servitors, and gnosis. It provides practical guidance for those seeking to explore the unknown. It challenges conventional magical thinking. It encourages a flexible and adaptable approach to magic. It is a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced practitioners. This book empowers readers to take control of their magical practice. It encourages them to question, experiment, and discover their own unique path. It is a must-read for anyone interested in chaos magic. What we like. This book delves deeper into the practical application of chaos magic. It explores advanced techniques and the fascinating world of psychonautics. If you are looking for a more in-depth exploration and want to push your practice further, you should consider it. What people say. Every page in all the books included in Peter Carroll's, well, I'm not sure if it's his masterwork, but it is indisputably the work of a master, is vital, not a word wasted. What the work captures, amazingly, in print of little more than 200 pages, is the ways for those so inclined, to live a life such that they are, not merely prepped to find the answer or reach Satori, for which the real point of practice is often mistaken, but to make practice the ends in itself, to make of life a daring adventure, all the while of which, one is not high all the time. Another common rainbow's end to the uninitiated, but doing nothing more nor less than asterisk. Living life alive star dot. This book is greatly detailed and explains some instances currently events within an individual or society in relation to the occult. Number 3. TXT Chaos Chapter, Fight or Escape Album plus Photocards, Escape for. Today, we're unboxing the new album from TXT. This is their latest release, packed with amazing music and exclusive content. This is the Escape version of the album. It features unique packaging and design elements. Let's dive in and see what's inside. Inside, you'll find a CD with their latest tracks. It also includes a photo book filled with stunning visuals. You will love it. This set comes with extra photo cards. Collect your favorite members and add them to your collection. They are so cool. Don't miss out on this amazing album. Grab yours now and enjoy the music and exclusive extras. It's a must-have for any fan. What we like. This album offers a unique musical experience. It comes with collectible photo cards, adding an extra layer of enjoyment. If you like K-pop and are looking for a visually and audibly engaging experience, you should consider this. What people say. The book is well written and easy to understand. It provides a good introduction to chaos magic. The book covers a wide range of topics related to chaos magic. Number 2. Games Workshop Chaos Spawn Tabletop and Miniature Gaming. Behold the Chaos Spawn. This multi-part plastic kit contains 2 wretched creatures. They are ready to bring havoc to your tabletop games. This kit is made of plastic and requires assembly. It allows you to build your own unique chaos spawn. The kit comes unpainted, giving you the freedom to customize it. You can paint it to match your army or create a unique look. With this kit, you can bring the chaos spawn to life on the battlefield. It's a great addition to any Warhammer army. This product is from Games Workshop, a trusted name in tabletop gaming. It ensures high quality and detailed miniatures. What we like. This kit provides detailed miniatures for tabletop gaming. It offers customization options, allowing you to create unique figures. If you are a tabletop gamer looking to expand your collection, you should consider it. What people say. A very good introduction to chaos magic. Provides a solid foundation for understanding and practicing chaos magic. Well written and easy to understand. Number 1. Pseudonomicon. Have you ever wanted to know more? This is the perfect tool for you. It will help you discover the secrets you've been searching for. This powerful device is designed to reveal what was once hidden. It's easy to use and provides incredible insights. With this, you can delve into realms beyond your imagination. It opens doors to understanding that were previously locked. This is more than just a product, it's a journey. It will guide you towards a deeper understanding of the world around you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your knowledge. Get yours now and start exploring the possibilities. What we like. This book offers a deep dive into esoteric knowledge. It provides historical context and in-depth analysis. If you're interested in exploring the origins and deeper meanings of chaos magic, you should consider this. What people say. It is a very well-written book. The book is a great introduction to chaos magic. It's a great book for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.